This is how you add closed captions in Premiere Pro. So you can see I have my video all set up. It's important that you have your entire video spliced up in the timeline how you want it to be. And so I have this all in one sequence here together. This is going to be an edit with me video. So you can see I have me talking on the side explaining what I'm doing, and then the actual video. It's pretty long. It's about, I don't know, 25 minutes. It's just me editing through this gallery. This is something I do on my YouTube a lot. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up to Window, and you're going to need to click Text. So go all the way down, click Text. It might already be selected for you. I'm going to go over here. There's a couple, I'm going to make it bigger so you can see a couple options here: transcript, captions, and graphics. We want transcript and captions. So first we need to make the transcript of the video. So we're going to tell it to transcribe, and it's going to transcribe my entire video. I'm guessing this will take about 5 or 6 minutes, so I'm going to let it do its thing, and then I will come back and show you what to do after that. Okay, so it just finished the transcript. So after it's transcribed the entire thing, you should be able to scroll down and see the entire transcript for the entire video. Then I'm going to go to captions, and I'm going to create captions from transcript. And you can see here you can change like which type of captions you want it to make, like which subtitles, what you want it to look like. You can go in here and change like if you want it one single line or double lines, like 2 lines in a row. You can decide like how wide you want it, how many characters you can let it put in, how fast it pops up. Like you can customize it. So after you customize to how you want, then you're going to press create captions. I'm just going to put it on default. Subtitle, I'm just going to keep it on none. We're going to do double lines because there are a lot of times when I'm talking a lot and I want people to be able to read the entire sentence. We're going to bring this back up to like, let's go 40, and leave that all how it is. No, I want the punctuation. Actually, maybe we will remove punctuation for this one. I think it's going to add a lot of periods where it doesn't need it. Then we're going to press create captions. And then you can see down here in my sequence, it's created all the captions right here. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out and make this a little bit bigger so I can see what's happening. Okay. So the only problem with this is where it's put the captions, you can't read them very well. I really need them like right here on this gray and black, on these gray and black bars so that I can actually read them. I also want to change the font. So we're going to click on the first caption. Actually, we're going to go to one with 2 lines. So let's go to this one. We're going to double click on it. We're going to go over here into properties. So after we've selected all the text, go into properties, and I'm going to mess around with and decide which font I want. I think I just want something normal like this, but obviously you can mess around with it, decide how you want it to be. I just want it to be super easy to read. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to move it up right there. You can see it needs to be a little bit smaller, so I'm going to do a little bit smaller font size, move it up a little more, and again, you drag down to move up. It's like the, turn left to go right or whatever from Cars. Okay, so once I have made this template one how I want it, I'm going to go here into properties. I'm going to click this button right here. It says redefine style, and I'm going to press OK. That's going to change the style to be the same across all of the captions. Now I need to select all the captions. I'm literally just going to drag my mouse all across it. And now that I know where I want that, where I want them to be, I think I had it at like negative, let's see, what was it? Let's see, I'll do it on this one. -61, that looks pretty good. Maybe we go one more. -60. Okay, that looks right. Now they should all be at that same spot. So that is how you add captions, how you make them all the same style, and then if you need to change any captions, you're just going to click on them, go over here, click on text, and that'll bring up the transcript, captions, and graphics spot. So go to the there you go. So then go to captions. If it has messed up any of the captions, I'm not going to be too picky with it with this one because it's such a long video and it's not that serious. I'm kind of just yapping about stuff. But if it really, like if it's a short video or you want to make sure that it got everything right, you can watch it through and it'll scroll through. So I'll show you, like while I talk, it's going to scroll through the captions. All these other highlights. And then you can edit it. If it messed up something, you can like edit the words and it will just edit it right here on your video. So that is how you add captions in Premiere Pro. I hope this helps, and subscribe for more Adobe tutorials and tips like this. Have a great day. Bye.